Good morning. I wanted to try and do a little short video, maybe a minute or two, and be able to show why we're tearing down our big building and replacing it with cement structure. I've got Luis Rios here. He's gonna translate and do it in Spanish for you. So go ahead, Luis.
Buenos días, voy a hacer un corto video de más o menos un minuto para explicarles un poquito el por qué estamos desarmando toda esta construcción.
And this construction originally was like a pole-barn type construction, we would call it in the United States. And you can see one of the posts, the bottom of what's left to one of them, right here, how it's rotted off below grade.
Esta construcción está hecha de manera que nosotros, para desarmarlo, les he mostrado ahí el poste que ya se había podrido así abajo.
And I just wanted to quickly show, we've taken everything down. This is the last day of demolition that we're doing.
Es una muestra rápida de lo que estamos haciendo, una demolición de toda esta construcción.
Here's an example again of one of the posts.
Un ejemplo nuevamente de uno de los postes que
you can see that below grade they're completely rotted and many termite-eaten posts.
Que todo el poste, la parte de abajo ya está ya podrida, que las termitas le han comido.
Buenos días, Pastor. Here's another one.
Otro poste.
Let's see, altogether we had 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Altogether we had 18 of these. And you still see 1 or 2 left in the middle that they've got to take down.
Tenemos 18 postes que están ahí, pero nos quedan como 2 o 3 en el medio.
But our concern was safety because with these posts being rotted off below grade, like I said, it's kind of a pole-barn type construction, and a good strong wind on that big tall roof that we had could easily cause this thing to collapse.
Podría haber colapsado nuestro techo, ¿no? Por la condición podrida que estaban estos postes.
And we just we don't want to take that chance. We got we can have 30 or more people sleeping on that side over there. On this side is where we taught. And we just don't want to have it loaded up and have a big storm one night and the thing collapse on everybody. So
imagínense que una lluvia fuerte con vientos podría colapsar este techo.
So anyhow, that's a little short video. I just wanted to be able to document this so that our people who have supported this effort to rebuild will get a really good understanding of why we're doing this and what's going on.
Para explicarles rápidamente, esto era el video que hemos estado haciendo para que las personas que están soportando este ministerio sepan lo que estamos haciendo.
Okay, thank you, Luis.
De nada, pastor.
Ciao.
Gracias. Chao.